I tried curling my hair for today's video, but it is so straight by this time, so. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to do everything powder. Every product that I've used for this makeup look is powder, can you tell? Absolutely love all the products that I've used and this result is amazing, just love it. If you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. So let's get started. This is very good for people with oily skin. I've already done my skincare. I love a dewy finish. Let's see if we can pull off a dewy finish with powder products. As you can see, I do have a bit of dark circles here and a little bit of pigmentations and spots here and there, but I think that is fine. A little bit of imperfections showing up on your face is totally fine. Beauty and imperfections. With that note, let's get started with our first product, and that is powder foundation. I have this, it's by PAC. It's a powder foundation palette. Not necessarily that you should have it. I have it because of work purposes, but you also get individual individual foundation powders. I'm going to use a little darker shade and just conceal. Done the under eye. I'm not sure if it's that visible on the camera, but in person, yes, it does. It does make it a little softer for sure. Now I'm taking a powder brush and just going all over my face. So we've done like a good base for the foundation. So now the foundation is done, you can see everything's become a little softer for sure. What should we do next? Let's finish off with the face before we go on to the eyes. Alright, I have the Forever 22 bronzer. It is called Bronzer Blusher. I don't know which shade this is. The purpose of this makeup is to be able to wear this every day. So it's going to be very simple, nothing too much. And so let's move on to the bronzer here. I'm taking a little bit of that and just kind of placing it here. And then I'm going to take my powder brush and just kind of going all over. Do you see how that just brought a bit of dimension to my face? If you know me and you've been watching my videos since the start, you know that I absolutely love this blush by Nykaa, and it is called the Brazilian Bombshell. Using the same powder brush and that. It is so beautiful. A little on my nose, a little on my chin. And yeah, that's good to go for the blush. I don't usually do a lot of things for my eyebrows, like I usually just let it be. Not really important, but let's just do for this video. I've been using this eyebrow palette, and this one is from Miniso, Uniso, something like that, and it comes with a small brush. It has a smudger and then an applicator as well. Let's do the eyebrows. Let's move on to what? Okay, we're almost done with the makeup, just the eyes are left. Now since I'm wearing this red top, a nice golden shimmery eye look would look good. So first, if you know, I always do the base with a nice light brown, light nudish color shade. I am using my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, taking a very light brown shade and then just applying it all over my eyelid. I'm going to use this palette by Schmolder, and I'm going to use the shade. This is a very copper kind of shade. It's called Pose. So let's go with this. Glitter, you can either use your fingertips or a brush. I'm going on with the brush. Going to apply that towards a little away from the inner corner, almost towards the middle. Wow, this is really nice, but what did it do? Don't worry. So my eyes are done. I don't need these anymore, but I still feel like there's something missing. I'm going to do a brown eyeliner, and I'm going to use the same palette by Schmolder and using the shade Twisted. That's a very deep brown color, and just very roughly kind of going to nicely smudge it. Should I just make it a little smoky with the same? Okay, let's try that. So I've taken the same dark brown shade and kind of done the lower lashes as well. To bring it all together, I'm going to use the mascara. It is the Sky High Mascara. I absolutely love this. So you do see the difference, right? I was thinking, why not, since we've done the entire makeup routine with powder, why not do like a lipstick with powder as well. Now going back to the blush, I am going to take this shade. It's a very brick orange kind of a shade. Let's tap that on my lips. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Wow, it looks really nice. Let's take a pink shade in between. I have this palette by LA Colors. It is a blush and highlight palette called So Cheeky. I am going to use the shade right here. Wow, do you see that? Also going to apply a little highlighter on my lips. So can you tell that this is all powder products? Let us lock this all in with a setting spray. I am using the one by e.l.f. It is a luminous mist and set setting spray. Let's just wait for it to dry. It has definitely turned out to be very luminous and quite dewy. It doesn't look like you have a ton of powder products on your face, and I absolutely love the results. I mean, I can tell in person also it looks so nice. Definitely try this makeup routine and let me know if you like it and if you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thank you for watching, and if you stuck with me until the end, thank you so much. It means a lot. Until next time, bye bye.